Well, we're down here at Falls Lake, right where Highway 98 crosses the river. And Stephen's got a bite. We don't know what it is yet. Uh-oh, he's going to get all tangled up in the bushes here. Might be a carp, might be a catfish, but it's not a little crappie. See a big swirl. We hadn't seen the fish yet. Oh, that's a carp. Nice little carp. Let me get a footing.
That's the biggest one I've ever caught.
All right. Oh man. Okay. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh my goodness, man.
Oh man. All right. I'm gonna go over here and get some pliers so we can get this fish out of the net. What do you think about that, Steve? All right, Steve, hold him up here where I can see him. Tilt him up. Yeah, man. That's about the average size carp you catch down here. We're just fishing with corn. Good show, Steve. I think I got a carp on a little Zebco 33 with 6-pound line. I got my anti-reverse turned off, so I don't trust the drag on these little Zebcos. This feels like a pretty good fish. And you can push that button on top and pause it. Well, I thought I had a carp, but it's just a catfish. And it's really fighting hard. Let me get my net. All right. Woo! It's a nice channel cat. Channel cat. This is a carp. Yeah, we got a carp going here now. Good one. Left the going line all over the shoreline here. Come on in here, big boy. He's foul hook. Oh man. All right. A little dirty. We're fishing dirty today. That's about a 6-pound carp. 5 or 6 pounds at least. They're heavy fish. Alright, let's put him back. Well, that was a short fishing video because it was a pretty short trip. We were down at the Noose River there, Falls Lake, off of Highway 98, carp fishing. for about 2 hours, I guess. And we had 6 bites, caught 3 fish. And instead of just sitting there and grinding it out, we decided to go up to Beaver Dam. And of course the lake was flooded today. I did not have my boat. So the area we wanted to fish from the bank was totally submerged. So we went over to my sister's house and fished her little pond and got 1 little brim. So anyhow, should have stayed carp fishing today and just made the best of that. But anyhow, we enjoyed the couple hours we had at Paul's Lake.